Look who's back, guys. He missed me really fast. Hindi man ito expired, guys. At saka yung nakuha ko to is nasa box talaga siya.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning everything. Good morning po kayo dyan. Nagising kami guys for something. Si Tami nagising mga 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So, andito pa si Tami. Akala ko aalis siya kagabi. Pero, hindi siya umalis guys. And aalis daw siya mamaya. Alam nyo ba ang nangyari? Nag-i-snow. And then, ang hirap na ngayon mag-drive. Kailangan niyang makapunta sa isang bahay kasi nga yung dumpster kailangan mapunta doon. And ang nakakatawa kagabi guys, nakatulog kami. Alam nyo kung saan kami natulog? Sa couch. Ako natulog sa couch siya. And then nag-move siya sa floor. Kasi po ang natutulog sa couch si Roxy, si Dimples. And then, alam nyo ba kung sino yung natutulog sa bed? Si Hubs. So yun, and then si Misty katabi ni Tami sa floor sa living room. Sabi ko pagbangon namin kanina, sabi ko, anyari sa ating dalawa? Bakit hindi tayo na, ang laki-laki ng bahay dito tayo sa couch para wala tayong lugar. Kasi yung mga anak, kasi si Habs andun daw sa and then si Roxy, si Dimples andun sa couch. So andun si Tami sa beanbag. Nilagay niya yung ulo sa maliit na beanbag sa floor. Ako naman sa recliner na couch. So yun yung buhay namin guys, sabi ko. Tayo yung may problema talaga, sabi ko. At ito yung labas ngayon. Ang daming snow. Nag-i-snow guys. Tignan nyo. Nag-i-snow pa oh. Tignan nyo ang aga-aga oh. Yan. Nag-i-snow pa guys. Ay grabe. Buti na lang hindi malakas yung snow pero. Are you guys cold? Oh my god. Why you bring snow here? Look at that. You bring snow in? You bring snow in? Yes you did. What's wrong with that? Are you snowy head? Snowy head. Monkey? You're cold, so you're ready for din-din? Are you ready for your din-din? Are you? Nanood lang kami ng Magnum PI. Magnum PI, yung si Tom Selleck pa. Yung old, pinakauna, original na Magnum PI. Ang aga namin nagkapi. Nagkapi ako, nag-croissant. Mr. still here. Look. Still here. I'm going with him, so. And he's using the coat that yung nakuha ko sa Burlington. Gustong gusto niya kasi extra size for him. And he can wear it with something under, you know. Oh my god. Say good morning, baby. He said good morning, guys. That's all he can see all the time, guys. Tired morning time is sleeping on the floor because all the kids sleeping in the couch and somebody sleeping in bed, so we're all sleeping in the living room. So that's our fun life. We have a big house but we don't have a space for us.
Plenty of space for kids though.
But there is a lot of space for them, for the kiddos. Oh my god, it's almost 8 o'clock na guys. Napagod kami sa kakashovel ni Tami. Parang na yung snow, parang basa na siya ba. So yun, pero natapos namin yung driveway. Kapagod lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Basi Tami sa harap. Yung walkway namin, niya. Kapagod guys. Nag-build up na naman. Look. Kakalinis lang namin buong driveway. Ngayon, build up na naman siya. Oh my God. Alam nyo ba yung asawa ko asan? Puntahan natin ta. Puntahan natin. Snow. Oops, camera. Nandito na siya. Hello, sir. Yeah, you're back. Hon. See that shoes ha? Don't go bring it here. Yung sapatos niya, dala-dala palagi. And then may dalang mga lapok-lapok. Dumi-dumi. Ay, nakaw. Anyway, guys, I'm going to turn the light on sa baba. Yung garden natin kasi wala talagang araw, guys. As in, sobrang puti yung langit. Puti yung lupa, puti yung langit. Yan, andito pa yan. Sana, hopefully, they don't deliver that dumpster yet. Or else you will be in trouble. Kasi, guys, yung tank doon, oil tank. Huh? Seriously, you think I cannot do this?
I know you can.
It's like you make me like a useless woman, love. I've been doing this for a long time.
I know that.
New Rochelle also.
I know that. The bottom line is I'm here to leave right before Sheldon is stupid.
Yeah, but now you are tired. You're double tired.
Okay.
Because now in New Rochelle too.
Okay. Driving and relaxing.
No, but you're going to clean up over there
How
too.
is it?
Oh, yeah. Let me open it.
I'm gonna do what you're waiting for.
Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm going to open this. I ordered this a while ago. And ngayon lang dumating, oh. So, tignan natin. Hopefully, I got that too. Seems like it's just a one.
So you put that right though.
Huh?
You put the little color.
It's two. Huh?
The other side. So that's what.
Ito yung design by Korea. Ito yung mga leggings, guys, na parang skin mo lang. Look, bumili ako ng brown at saka black. Kapag ilagay mo siya sa legs mo, halo, ay, maganda siya. Pero, oh my God, won't fit me. Look, para siyang skin, guys. Look. This is so tight. Oh my goodness, look. Sobrang tight ang taba ko, guys. Paano? Ay, stretchable siya, guys. Oh, look. This one will squeeze my fat belly. Oh my God. And I'm having problem with tight. So, Lahan, look.
I don't understand why you get those from Korea. You can get them right around the corner in the store.
No, but this one is, look. Once you wear it, it's just like, look like you have your just skin.
Yeah, that's what they're made for.
Ha?
That's why they're made that way.
Look. Black siya, pero pag suotin mo, look. Diba? Look. Kasi yung sa ilalim, hindi mo yan skin. Ang sa ilalim lang siya, guys. Oh, look. Sa ilalim, andito. So, pang ano talaga siya, guys? Pang ginaw. Yung paglalabas ka, ganon. Sobrang tight naman ito. Okay, guys. Aalis na yan very soon. It's already almost 9 o'clock na. And, ako naman, magluto ako ng, okay pa ba to? Okay pa ba to? Lutuin ko to. Oh, this is jackfruit. Masarap ito lutuin sa ano? Yung binignit ba? Binignit sa tiyan mo gunit. Unya, asama na siya mo sirit. Good. At tungong dapita, good sa iyang lubot. Anyway, so, dried fish yung lutuin natin. My friend Beth sent me this fish. Let me cook some of it. This is a newer one. This is my friend Beth gave this to me. So let me cook the old one. Let me see if I can find the old one here. I know I have ton of dried fish here. Ang problema nito is maraming ice cream din dito. Kailangan ng tapusin. Mayroon pala ako ditong sili. Ano to? Let me see what's in here. Ito, lutuin natin ito. Galing ito sa garden ko ba, parsley. Hala, ang daming ice cream, guys. Oy. 1, 2, tatlo man ay ice cream dito. Oy. Ito, masarap ito, oh. Mint chocolate. Triopolitican. Pasensya na kayo kasi binalik-balik ko tong sweater ko. Kasi alam niyo naman, dito lang tayo sa bahay, di ba? Wala naman tayong hindi naman tayo umalis ng kahit saan-saan. So, balik-balikin natin. Balik-balikin. May nagsasabi sa inyo ba na dapat hindi ka magluluto kasi andyan si Tami, respeto sa Amerikano mong asawa, sa asawa mong puti, ganun daw, respeto, ganun. Pinagsabihan tuloy ako sa mga tao da. Bakit naman ninyo ako pinagsabihan? Alam ko naman yung asawa ko yan. At saka kilala ko na yan, guys. Kilala. Han, do you wanna eat something?
Oh, you can throw the bones out.
Huh?
You throw the donuts out.
Donut, you don't want?
Chef, yeah.
Yeah, I think we got oil, right? Oh no, we didn't get an oil like this because this is the...
We did.
No, we didn't.
We did.
Because this is the vegetable oil, oh.
You said that was not that bad, remember?
Let's cook dried fish, guys. You know, and somebody told me, hey, you shouldn't be cooking dried fish inside the house. Respect for your American husband. He doesn't like it. They're telling me I need to not do it, honey. Seriously, love.
You said it's okay.
Huh?
You said it's okay.
I've been doing this even before, guys. A what?
It's okay, you gotta do your thing.
I've been doing this and I don't care. He doesn't like it. Oh well. No guys, okay lang naman sa kanya. Oy, kayo ba? Ano, kilala ko na yung asawa ko, guys. 13 years na me together, guys. I know him. Believe me, if he doesn't want it, he will tell me. And that I won't do it. Han, are you hungry smelling this? You don't get hungry, I get hungry bad. I get so hungry. Nagutom na ako yan. Kapag na-smell daw niya ito, hindi na daw siya kakain. Hindi na niya feeling kumakain. Intindi naman talaga, guys, kasi may... Okay guys, it's time to... Umalis na si Tami. It's time to unplug all this little statue here. Yung mga babies. Buti na lang hindi gumalaw. Huwag kayong gagalaw ha. Huwag niyo akong takutin mga indoy, mga inday. Look who's back, guys. He missed me really fast. He came home. He said, I cannot live without you. Is that why you said love? Look at that face. You can't live without me. You can't. You can't. Ito guys, kuha na guys. Maglinis tayo dito kasi ang daming nahuhulog na mga dumi, buhok. Yun. So itong mga ornaments, ilagay ko muna siya dito. And then dalhin natin sa taas. And then ibalik natin siya sa original boxes. Kasi meron tayong mga bagong ornaments. Ito siya mga matagal na. Ibalik natin lang ito. Napagod na siyang umalis.
This thing didn't really clean up.
No, he doesn't go this way. He go direct over there, turn around. It's like...
Yeah, but it didn't go on the couch.
Nothing yet. I'm gonna clean up. Nandito yung vacuum, guys. Clean up tayo, guys. Madumi ito kanina dito. Binacuum ko lang konti kasi yung vacuum nagtuyok siya ngayon muna. Pero pabayaan ko muna yan. And then, you know, double work tayo, guys. Double vacuuming. Huggies is finally leaving me. He's going to leave me. He doesn't. Yeah, maligo lang ako din, guys, kasi ay nako, ang bahay amoy dried fish. So ngayon yung mga scented ano natin naka-on. Say bye-bye, love. You're gonna say bye-bye
Hi
now.
guys. Should I take Steven's kids stuff with me? Or are you gonna bring it?
I'll bring it tomorrow.
Don't forget, Steven's will be there.
Yeah. Alagaan ko lang itong mga bulaklak ko, guys. Ang ginawa ko is tinitrim ko sila and then yung tubig and ano pa, trim lang. Kunan ko sila ng dahon para hindi siya masyadong yung parang mag-agabuhay ba. Yung dami ng dahon, ganun. And then kukunin ko yung mga bagong tubo, ganun. And then pagkatapos sa trimming, i-ano ko yung lupa, parang ibungkal-bungkal ba sa gilid, ganun. Cultivate natin konti. Natapos na yung isa, guys. Yung malaki ko doon, kino-cultivate ko na siya. At kinakat ko na yung tinitrim ko na, kinukunan ko na siya ng mga dahon. And then, dagdagan ng tubig. So, yun lang naman siya. Dagdagan ng tubig. Kasi bukas, busy na naman tayo, guys, doon sa isang bahay. At saka itong isa, linis lang linis din. Pinabayaan ko na lang siya, guys, kasi Alam nyo na. Hi guys! So ngayon guys, kakain po tayo guys. Nakapang-robe lang ako guys kasi andito lang naman ako sa bahay. And yung ulam natin is salmon. And yung agenda ko ngayon is guys, itatry ko itong mga ito. Ito yung nakuha natin sa basurahan. Hinugasan ko na to ng maayos, ganun. So ngayon, itatry po natin ito. At saka meron tayong ulam na salmon. Unahin ko muna ito. Ano to? Russia garlic. Unahin ko to guys. It smells like oopsie na parami. So ito, try natin ito. Let's try without anything. Hot sauce. From Russia, garlic hot sauce. So i-try natin. Hindi ko na ano yung flavor. Kasi mas matapang yung salmon. Masarap. Yung salmon. Para siyang ano, para siyang buffalo. Nakatry na kasi ako ng buffalo guys. So, para siyang buffalo. Next is ito. Ay, Brazil. Hot sauce. Dito lime siya. Lime. Hindi man ito expired guys. At saka yung nakuha ko to is nasa box talaga siya. Next year pa ito ma-expired. Lahat. Okay, yung try natin with no meat. No salmon. Okay naman siya. Marami kasi itong flavor, guys. Masarap kasi itong salmon. Hindi siya sobrang limey. Yung parang taste lime. Hindi siya. Okay, try this one. This is cayenne. Cayenne hot sauce from Africa. This is gonna be, let's see if sobra ba itong spicy. Oh my God. This is really like a cayenne pepper. It's so windy, guys. Para siyang Tabasco. Masarap siya. Masarap yung cayenne. Masarap yung cayenne. Let's try this from Egypt. Extra hot sauce. I don't know. Nakalimutan ko anong flavor ito kasi nasira yung ano, yung pangalan niya. Ay, nako, naparami. Parang same lang naman sila ng mga flavor, eh. Parang yung mga flavor nila, so pare-pareha lang. Check natin mamaya kung alin yung masarap talaga. Ito, chipotle from Greece. Ito yung pinaka-dark na sauce nila. Okay lang siya. Okay lang din. Wala siyang may pagka-barbecue. Ito, Italy. This is garlic habanero. From Italy, let's see. This is good, guys. This is good. The garlic habanero from Italy. Next, this is gonna be weird. Thailand mango habanero hot sauce. Oops. Wow, it's good too, guys. Spicy. Oh my God, it's really spicy. The habanero mango is really spicy. Masarap naman sila, guys. Masarap naman sila. Ang weird dito, and I think ang weird dito for now, sa na-try ko, is itong chipotle hot sauce. Para siyang may pagka-barbecue na something. Ito, alam ko na tong flavor na to, eh. Okay. Parang same lang naman siya. Yeah, same lang. Let's try this one. This is jalapeno from Mexico. I think same lang yung ano nila. Yung lasa nila. Oh, ito parang masarap ito. Oh. Yun, sure talaga. Guys, masarap guys. jalapeno hot sauce from Mexico. From Mexico! Masarap siya as in. I'm not joking. Ito yung same flavor siya guys sa yung mga in-order ko doon sa ano sa Colombia restaurant. Ito yung winner. Ito siya winner hot sauce from Mexico. Ito yung magpunta ako sa Colombian restaurant dito malapit sa amin. At saka meron silang snapper, red snapper. Ito yung sauce. Meron silang ganito. Ito yung pinaka gusto ko. And then next is itong garlic. Asan yung garlic? From Italy. Ito. And then the rest is okay. Ito yung pinakaayaw ko. Chipotle. And then the rest is okay lang siya. Masarap siya. Pero ito yung pinakadabi sa akin. Jalapeno hot sauce from Mexico. And then garlic habanero from Italy. Hindi siya yung jalapeno na yung bibig mo mapapagod. Parang ano lang siya, regular na anghang na, hindi siya maanghang na yung regular lang. If you are just a sauce lover na jalapeno daw siya pero hindi siya sobrang anghang. Yung iba is maanghang. Wow. I have to buy bigs. Sana makita ko ito sa regular grocery store. Thank you so much guys for watching. Yun lang siya guys. Yun lang yung short video natin. Thank you. Bye.